Hey you guys, happy February to everyone. It is dang, what day is it? For me, I think it's like a Wednesday, but for y'all it's gonna be a Monday, so happy Monday. It has been probably, I don't even know how long it's been since I gave you guys a wig review. I'm so sorry. Once my hair grew out, I was not trying to do no more wig reviews, but I saw this wig on Outre's Instagram and was like, I think I need that. And then I showed my boyfriend and he was like, I think you need that. So here you guys get another wig review. This is from Outre, Perfect Hairline. Obviously, y'all know how I feel. This is Promise, and she is in the color 1B. You guys, like you guys, baby. And she's 26 inches, and I didn't guess that she was 26 inches. She actually says that she is 26 inches. Like, but I'm tripping because this is a look, like, she's giving me what I wanted. She's giving me what needs to be given. So if y'all want to see how I customized her, put her on, first impressions, all that good stuff, keep on watching. Hey guys, I got a box. I just got a letter and I know exactly what it is. Okay, so since this is an unboxing video, I'm just gonna unbox it literally with you guys right now. It's from Sam's Beauty. I think I ordered this like Friday night and it's Tuesday, so obviously know what I have because of the title, so you know before I do. I got, yay! We got another wig, okay? This is Perfect Hairline. Y'all know it's my favorite. Like, the way I feel about Outre, like the way I feel about the Perfect Hairline by Outre is the way I feel about coffee. Like, I don't need it, but I would like to have it every single day. Something that I love about the Outre boxes is it lets you know right up front how much heat it takes, and it says that it's safe up to 400 degrees. Like, I love that for us. I also love that Sam's Beauty does not play, okay? I love Sam's Beauty website because this is not sponsored, by the way, but I love Sam's Beauty because, like, they don't play. You know how other like wig type and stuff has all that extra stuff on their site and it's like, okay, where do I figure out how to order this thing? Not Sam's Beauty, and I love it. So, like the normal wig she is, let's see, let me read her little stock card or whatever. Okay, so it's, first of all, we get to know how many inches it is this time. It says it is 26 inches. Baby, okay. It's 26 inches. Let's just read the claims before we look at the actual wig, okay? It says fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal, 6-inch deep lace parting, ear-to-ear soft HD transparent lace. It says on the side, it's a natural contour and realistic hairline. No customization required. Combs for security. For the back, wide adjustable elastic band, secure comb for secure fit, or back comb for secure fit. And the hairline is pre-plucked, gradual hairline, and baby hairs included. So, let's see. Okay, so honestly, if I'm gonna be like real, I'm sorry, my dog always wants to talk when I'm making a video. I am not worried. Every time I get Perfect Hairline, she does what she's supposed to do. Like, ooh, she already bouncing, baby. She has a little hairnet. if you've ordered wigs, if you've seen my wig reviews or anyone's wig reviews, you know how it goes. Okay, so first impression, I just took off the little net, is she's light. She's long, but she's light. She's soft. I like to scrunch when it comes to curly, just because like it can be hard at first with some synthetics, but I feel like I treat it like my hair. Like my hair, when it's wash day and it's dried, is hard, and that's because there's a cast on it. So I scrunch out my curls. So I did the same thing, and it's definitely making it softer. She's soft, like she's more of a silky, and I appreciate that. I don't know about everybody else, but for me, I appreciate that. All right, let's look at this lace. It's a light brown. It's a little ashy, like it's a little ashy. It's me on a winter day, you know. I'm already ashy, but it's more ashy than that, but still not bad. Hairline, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Outre used to do this bow scalp with their perfect hairlines. Not in here, and that's appreciated because it wasn't really helping nobody. Where my elastic band at? Here it is, just like it says. Combs, ear to ear. She feels amazing. She looks real good. I was a little nervous that it was gonna be like straight and then the curls, which it would have been fine. It would have been fine. But I am seeing, like, no, it's waved up in the front. So I'm seeing layers. Do you guys see? This is natural lighting, so y'all can see the, like, what is that? Why is there something white in my wig? But yeah, y'all can see the natural luster. Again, I got a very natural 1B. So yeah, let's just go ahead and pop on. Okay, I put this bad boy on. Whew, she is snug, but I still have, I didn't adjust anything. I didn't adjust the adjustable straps. So she is a little snug, but like, this is new, okay? For me, this is new. It normally doesn't look this natural around my ears, and I am for it. No, I will not be having it this far down my forehead. There we go. My hair starts right here, so I'd be wearing it right here. She is laying really flat. Like, you guys can see, I'm on a wig cap for anybody who wants to know. It does go all the way down. This hairline, you can see the wig cap, but like, this hairline, especially if I pull her down some, she is so light. Like, I can't even get over how light she is. She looks very, let's see, y'all know me, I do not do the hot comb method when it comes to wigs. I feel like it kind of, on me, like, I be feeling like it's kind of funny that when we like straighten our natural hair, we want it to have, or when we're doing our natural hair, especially like curly hair, we want it to be very voluminous and we want it to be like big. But when we put on a wig, we want our curly hair to be like flat. I'm like, that's not realistic. And when it comes to like straightening our hair, my hair don't be just straight. My hair is very big when it's straight. So yeah, just for me, I don't feel like it's realistic on me. She goes, if I stretch her, right to my hip. I'm like extending my hip, so. But yeah, without that, she goes right into my waistline, maybe a little bit longer than that. Again, super light, super pretty. Let me just do my customization for y'all and come back. Okay, before I do any customizing, I just want to show y'all how the baby hairs already lay straight down on one side, I love that, because this is the actual side where my actual baby hair does do this. This side, you know, it's there, like she there, but it's gonna take a little bit more work. But yeah, definitely for me, I think it's like necessary that you pick out the little extra hairs if you want them, and flatten everything and do what you're gonna do before you cut the lace. Because once you cut it, and you gotta make sure that you get in everything.
Hit the backboard like a free throw. You next level, you a chico. In so deep, you hit my safe plug. Got me singing like Alicia. Got me using all your lingo. Tell your girlfriend that you single. Call me over cause I go hard. Sweet little bit for like a porn star. Next day, act just like you road dog. Bitches asking how you know her. That game super, baby, loca. Too loca, de la boca. This word is supernova. Fuck that, I ain't coming over. Come over, can I stop by to see you tonight? Can I stop by to see you? Both on fire, love the teamwork. Leave with juices on your t-shirt. Loud and clear, no need for reverb. Tell the Uber driver reverb. Flip that bitch and make the U-turn. Sex tape crazy, need the bloopers. Last online, but you're a trooper. Sniper gang, no Bradley Cooper. Hi, I'm hell, it's nice to meet ya. Know you fucking with a demon. Do about anything you please ya. Come inside me, I'm a keeper. Want me to next level, you a chico. In so deep, you hit my safe plug. Got me singing like Alicia. Got me using all your lingo. Tell your girlfriend that you single. Call me over cause I go hard. Sweet little bit for like a porn star. Next day, act just like you road dog. Bitches asking how you know her. That game super, baby, loca. Too loca, de la boca. At this word is supernova. Fuck that, I ain't coming over. Come over, can I stop by to see you tonight? Can I stop by to see you? Both on fire, love the teamwork. Leave with juices on your t-shirt. Loud and
Okay, you guys, and that is it. That is the install. I did a middle part, well, kind of. I'm just kind of letting this hair flow and do whatever it wants to do, because I don't know, this is what that wig is giving. Like, this wig is giving, we can go and do what we want to do. When the wind blows, we're gonna blow with it, and I'm okay with that. I usually wear my hair on this side when it's long enough. So yeah, I don't really do actual part. I just want to show you guys this. I really wish, the only thing about these wigs is I wish that we had more side parting spaces, because a good side part is the arch of your eyebrow, and I like, what if you want to be a little bit more drastic? So when I do wear my hair like this, or if I do happen to flip it like this, all that's gonna show. So I have to like take a finger and kind of like hide the track a little bit, but it's okay. It's still super pretty. It's a lot of hair, but not really. Like, it's full, but it's not a lot of hair. It feels very light. I didn't tack it down. You guys just saw I put a little bit of gel on the edges and called it a day. So she's not, you can wear her glueless. This is what I'm doing. I'm sorry, my straps are coming with a nice little corset for you guys today. But yeah, you can wear her glueless. She fits very snug. I adjusted the straps and she's snug. She's not going anywhere. Would I say this is big head friendly? Yeah, like absolutely. Now if you have if you have hair that like hits your eyebrows almost like I do, you might have to maneuver a little bit like I did. But even for that like I still have, like right here is my actual hairline, but it's okay. It's okay. Just a little swoop and you won't even notice. I have nothing bad to say. I didn't run my hands through it because I don't know. I don't really feel the need to. Me pulling it, there's some shedding, but also you guys saw me pluck the hairline, so I don't think it would be shedding without me plucking the hairline. The hairline was plucked amazing, but it wasn't plucked to perfection for my hairline, so I plucked it a little bit more, and it looks now it looks really good. Now it looks like mine. And so I always customize my wigs, no matter if it's synthetic, human, it don't matter if it's a wig. If there's one thing I'm gonna do, it's going to pluck it, okay? So yeah, she works out really well. I would go over here, but I don't know, I don't like my hair parted over there. It has natural layers to it, so I'm not gonna cut into this wig. Y'all know how I am, but I'm not gonna cut into this wig. Again, if you're a perfectionist and you want your hair to be all perfect curls all the time, you might be very annoyed with this wig, just because she does her own thing. But that's actually one of the reasons I love her so much. I love that she does her own thing, because when it's curls, I feel like I don't want to touch it. But you know, that's just me. I don't care if it gets a little, if it looks a little on the tangle side. I don't care if it doesn't look very perfect. I'm not gonna put a brush to it, at least not anytime soon, because I really love the natural look it's giving. Let me give you guys a 360. I'm gonna stop talking because y'all already know how I feel. I give her a 10 out of 10. She 10 out of 10 all the way around. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.